Hey everyone, it's Rob the Backyard Gardener, and it's time for an avocado tree update. It's time for an avocado tree update, everyone. I'm gonna go ahead and preface this video with the fact that the avocado tree, the remaining survivor that I have that you saw in the last video at 25 and a half months old, is now over 27 months old. Now, we've had several hot summer days here in Texas, triple digits, most of them. Doesn't get even colder than 85 to 88 at night. Avocado trees don't love extreme heat. So it's been a little bit of a battle to try to keep this guy from withering away. I've kept him well watered. Where he's placed in my yard, he doesn't get full sun all day, but still the temperatures are very hot, and avocados don't love it very hot. Tomatoes like it hot, they just won't set fruit when it's hot. That's a tomato jungle, but that's for another video. Let me flip the camera around, show you how my avocado tree is doing at 27 months. Well, here he is, everyone. I want to start off by saying I had topped him up there. We'll get a closer look here in a minute, but I took off the top foot. In my last video, I talked about doing it. I went ahead and did it. He's put on several more shoots, and we'll get a close-up here in a second, but you can see he's starting to recover really well. He's a little bit tired because of all of the heat that we've had, but looks like he's recovering just fine. In about another 30 to 45 days, when it stops being so dang hot, he's gonna put on explosive growth. Let me get you a little closer. We'll take a little more closer look at how he's doing. So here's kind of a bird's eye view of this tree, guys. He's around 9 feet tall now, maybe 8.5. That's the pot that he's in. Wanted to show you that he's actually putting on good new growth despite the heat. It's shaded right now, and it's only 4 o'clock p.m. Texas time, and it's been shaded since around 2, maybe 1:30. But we've had some pests doing a number on his leaves. Right now, it's nest building season for a lot of the birds, and a lot of the birds love my yard. And what they do is they pull off all my bark and my grasses and my weeds and leaves like this, and they make nests out of them, as you know. But I wanted to give you a good look at him to show you that he is recovering. I know he doesn't look the healthiest as far as all of his foliage, but you got to remember, this guy was indoors a long time. He struggled. You saw him in the last video struggling. He started to come back the last video, and then the heat kicked in, and he's kind of slowed down a little bit, but you can clearly see by the number of shoots that he's putting out that he is coming back. And let me tell you, when the temps get at 90 degrees at the max and below 70 at night, he will really take off. I'll tell you, I've had to keep up with them though. Avocado trees love the water. They love the shade, which he's getting now, and they're heavy nitrogen feeders. So I've had to keep supplementing a half a dose of nitrogen every couple of months. And the reason why I'm doing half a dose is he was in shock, and the last thing I wanted to do was to have any more leaf burn or have any more issues. He is struggling from the heat though. Some of these younger leaves, you can see right here, they do have damage. His foliage looks really bad during the day when the sun's beating down on him, and then it looks a lot better as the evening progresses. To any extent, I just wanted to give you a short update and let you know where he's at 27 months. Obviously, I'd love to see him a little more full, but he's gonna start filling out really soon. There you have it, everyone. That's my avocado tree. Quick update at 27 months. Not a lot to tell you or show you this time, but a lot of you have been asking about how the plant's doing, and I want to at least show you what it looks like. Looks like he's doing pretty good in my opinion. Struggling a little bit, but that's normal in the Texas summers. If you enjoyed the video and the update, please give me a thumbs up. As always, happy gardening, and thanks for watching. We've got a couple of additions to the avocado family. Started these guys about 2.5 months ago, and all I did was just put them right in the pots with soil, kept it wet, and let them grow. No cup and toothpick method on these guys whatsoever. Aren't they cute?